In this video, we'll guide you through the process of performing an asset inspection using field maps on an Android device. First, open the Field Maps app and select your feature layer. To search for an asset, tap the magnifying glass icon in the upper right-hand corner. In the search box, you'll see InfraMarker ID. To the right, there's an RFID icon. Tap on it, then select Scan RFID. The InfraMarker ID app will open, confirming that your TSL RFID reader is connected. Press OK, then point the RFID reader towards the asset tag you want to inspect and pull the trigger. The RFID reader will detect the asset tag. Tap on the correct asset to continue. In this example, we've found Hydrant 3. Tap on it to proceed. At the bottom left-hand corner, you'll see an icon resembling chain links or glasses. Tap on it. Next, press Add to open the inspection form. Now, fill out the inspection details as needed. Once the inspection is complete, tap the check mark in the upper right-hand corner to submit your inspection. Your data is now saved and updated in the feature layer. Great job! You've successfully completed an asset inspection using field maps on an Android device.